Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to fix all issues in your Oracle Cloud account and Oracle Cloud VM instances. If you are using Oracle Cloud, this method must be your best friend. After you signed up for Oracle Cloud gives you Support Identifier with your account. Support Identifier is permanently associated with email that you use to create your Oracle Cloud account. You need Support Identifier to create Oracle Support account. This video is going through with Oracle Support account. Let's see what things we are going to do in this video. Creating Oracle Support account. Creating service request. Chatting with Oracle Support agent. First you need to download zip file. This zip file contains things needs to use in this video. You can find download link of zip file in description. Next I show you how to download zip file. But, I got this video clip from my old video. So, match it for this video. After you click on the download zip file of script link, you can see page like this. Click on link in the page. Now scroll down and you can see download zip file topic. As say in here, click on subscribe YouTube channel button and subscribe YouTube channel and come back here to download zip file. So, let's do it. Click on subscribe YouTube channel button. Now, you are going to my YouTube channel. Now subscribe my YouTube channel. If you didn't already subscribe it, you can't download zip file if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel. I don't do anything because I already subscribed. So, let's go back to that page. As say here, we can see zip file button after some time because I subscribed YouTube channel. But if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, you can't see zip file button. So, let's wait some time. Now you can see zip file button. Click on it. Now you are going to Medify website. Now you can download zip file here. So, let's start our video. Creating Oracle Support account. Now we are going to create Oracle Support account. So, first open instructions.txt file in extracted folder using your text editor. Now, copy Create Oracle Support account link. Go to browser and go to copied link. Now we need to fill the form. Use same details that you used when creating your Oracle Cloud account. This is important. Type same email address that you created your Oracle Cloud account. Type any password matching to password requirements. Type password again. Next choose your country. Type your first name. Type your last name. Type your job title. Type your phone number. Type any name. Type your address. Type your city. Type your zip/postal code. Click on Create Account button. Now go back to your email inbox. You can see email like this. Click on Verify Email Address button to verify your account. After verifying your account, let's log into Oracle Support account. There is main Oracle Support website and there is a section of it called My Oracle Support. There is no benefit for us in main Oracle Support website. But My Oracle Support section is only for Oracle Cloud users. If you go directly to support.oracle.com domain, you can see main Oracle Support website. But, if you use this link, you can directly go to My Oracle Support section. So, let's go to this link. Copy login link in instructions.txt file. Now go to your browser and go to copied link. Now, type your Oracle Support account email and password. Click on Sign In. Now, you are in my Oracle Support dashboard. If support identifier is assigned to your email address, you can see page like this. If not, you can see a page to add support identifier to your account. Support identifier isn't assigned to your email address means you don't have Oracle Cloud account. So, there isn't any usage in this section for you. So, let's go to next step. Creating SR. SR is the short name for service request. Service request means the session that creates with Oracle Cloud user and Oracle support agent. You can discuss about your issue and fix it in service request. You only can discuss about one issue in one service request. If you have more issues, you need to create more service requests. You can create unlimited service requests. So, you don't need to worry about it. There is two types of service requests. They are technical service request and non-technical service request. We only create non-technical service request because technical service requests are difficult to create and there are some issues in creating technical service request. If your issue is technical issue, Oracle Support automatically convert non-technical service request to technical service request. So, you don't need to worry about types of service request. You just need to follow my steps. So, let's create service request. Click on Service Requests tab. Click on Create Non-Technical SR button. Now, we are in Creating SR. So, we need to provide information about our issue. Now we need to provide summary of problem. Now we need to choose problem type. Click on Choose Problem Type button. You don't need to worry about problem type. Just follow my steps. So, click on Login/Administration/Profile Issues. Now click on Login/Access Issue. Now click on Next button. Now, we need to provide description of our problem. Type your description here. Click on Continue button. You don't need to worry about these. Just follow my steps. Click on My Oracle Support Login Errors. Click on None of the above. Now click on Next. You can upload any file related to your issue. So, I upload this screenshot. Now, click on Attach button. Click on Choose File button. Now choose your file. If you want, you can type description of this file in Note field. Click on Attach File button. You can see successful message. Now, click on Next button. Now click on Submit button. Creating SR process is over. So, let's go to next step. Chatting with Oracle Support Agent. After clicking on Submit button, you will be automatically redirected to page like this. If not, go back to Service Requests tab. You can see your service request you created here. So, click on it. This is Oracle Support Chat Room. In here, you can chat with Oracle Support Agent and fix your issue. These three messages contains we entered information before. You can see this message after some time. This message is from Oracle Support. They only reply to your messages in working hours. Now, I tell how to type messages and upload files in chat. Click on Add Update button to type messages. Type your message in box and click on Post Update button to send message. Click on Add Attachment button to upload file. You can add file as before. Click on Attach File to send file. You can see this in top right corner. This is from an old service request. You can see issue type is a technical issue. This is what I told before. I created this service request as non-technical. But, you can see it was automatically converted to technical. You can see status is closed. Here status means current situation in service request. I closed this service request. It's why it shows closed. You can see service type is Identity Cloud Service. It's because my issue is related to it. There is a Oracle support section for each service type. Oracle support decides suitable Oracle support section from asking details about your issue. Then they automatically assign your service request to an agent from suitable Oracle support section. When your service request is assigned to new agent, you can see service type is automatically changed. I think now you can understand how this works. After your issue is fixed, you can close your service request using Close SR button. When you more use my Oracle support, you can discover more things about it. So, I think you know everything needs to know about this. So, let's finish this video. Put comment after fixing your issue. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends.